Today is just really about grabbing the attention of our youth and young adults and just advertising aviation from different perspectives and different platforms. So if we can utilize drone technology to teach them aviation, that's our main purpose today. We need airplane pilots, however, drone pilots, helicopter pilots are just as important. How can drones be used as a career is a great question, because right now kids think drones are a toy, but they'll be used to package delivery, pizza delivery. You know, Amazon has a drone program right now where they're delivering packages just as a test, meaning they're going to need drone pilots. In any career that they look at, as far as policing, fire department, search and rescue, safety, all of those industries, you can utilize the drone technology to make money. And even in Hollywood, they're using, drones to capture scenes and follow cars and get your action scenes. So you even have directors that are using drones, so you can be a director as well. You give me an industry, I can tell you how a drone can connect with that industry.